Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I would like to share one of the very popular sambal from Aceh, Indonesia called asam udang. This is a spicy and sour prawn sambal, and as always perfect to serve with rice. So let's get started. First, I would like to introduce you to all the ingredients I'm going to use later. So here I have some fresh prawns, blimbi or cucumber tree, or in Indonesia we call it blimbing wuluh, sea salt, kaffir lime leaf. This is the blimbi that I'm going to use later. Some coconut oil, small green chili, Bali hot pepper, shallot, lemongrass, and white peppercorn. So let's make it. First, I'm going to fry the prawns. Before that, let's add a pinch of salt and a pinch of white peppercorn. Mix well. I like to fry the prawns first. If you don't like to fry the prawns, you can boil the prawns or steam the prawns. Let's turn on the cooker. Add little bit of the coconut oil. So the oil is hot enough. Let's add the prawns. Let's turn it over. The prawn is ready. Let's put it aside. Next, I'm going to slice thickly shallot, chilies, and lemongrass. Let's put it here. For the small green chili, I cut into 2 pieces. Let's put it aside. For the bilimbi, I cut it into small pieces. First, I'm going to remove this part. Oops. Let's put it aside. And for the kaffir lime leaf, I'm going to slice it thinly, and I remove the middle part because it's quite hard. So everything is prepared. Now let's grind the shallot, bilimbi, chilies, and lemongrass first. Before that, I add some salt. Grind it roughly. Now let's add the prawns. Grind it roughly. Add kaffir lime leaf. Mix it well. This is optional. I'm going to add hot coconut oil into the sambal. First, I need to heat it up, the coconut oil. I'm using the same pan that I used earlier to fry the prawns. Ooh, smells so good. Mix well. Now let's plate it. Kaffir lime leaf and slice of the bilimbi fruit as a garnish. So here we are, asam udang. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. And also now we are ready with the online cooking class as well. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. And if you like my video, please give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so I can produce more video in the future. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema, happy cooking, bye bye.